Okay, I have a confession to make. I have a very messy makeup organization here. I keep everything on my dresser drawers. Here are my lipsticks and lip glosses. Here I keep some palettes right here. There are my eyeliners. Here are my blushes, bronzers, mascaras, highlighters. Here are some powder products. Here are some more palettes. Over here are my brushes, setting sprays, mascaras, and here are my foundations. I do not have any bins. Here are some more hair care products. I do not keep any bins or anything like that to store my makeup in, but this seems to work okay for me. All right, thank you.